How to get rid of cockroaches using a candle, a method everyone is using. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. I bet you wouldn't believe that with just an ordinary candle, you can get rid of annoying insects like cockroaches. Sounds unbelievable, right? Today, I'm going to show you a proven, highly effective way to get rid of cockroaches. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. I know you clicked on this video because you didn't know what to do with those annoying cockroaches anymore. And if you're a follower of the channel, you also know that I've made countless videos about how to get rid of cockroaches, but none are quite like the method I just discovered. Honestly, the first time I tried it, I was stunned because I initially thought it was impractical and illogical, but when I tested it, the results were truly amazing. I decided to share this method on my channel so everyone can learn and get rid of cockroaches once and for all. So let's get started right away with just an ordinary candle, like the ones you use during power outages, and they're incredibly easy to buy anywhere. Grab yours and let's learn how to make it together. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I invite you to subscribe now. It's completely free. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Now, let's get started so we can learn quickly, easily, and effectively. First, you need to know that candles are made from paraffin, a petroleum hydrocarbon, which is highly polluting and extremely irritating to these insects. However, putting candles aside for now, we'll first need a small bowl or plate to make this special mixture. I've tried it in person before, but now I want to make it quick and easy in a short video so everyone can benefit. After preparing the bowl, we'll take one of the cockroach's favorite foods, white sugar. This will be the first bait for the cockroaches. Take a spoonful of sugar and place it in the bowl. There's nothing special about it, but sugar is so attractive to cockroaches that they can't resist. To increase effectiveness, we will combine it with lemon peel, something almost every household has. Instead of using lemon juice, use a grater, preferably one with small holes, to grate only the peel, where the strong lemon aroma is concentrated. Use about half a teaspoon of lemon peel compared to the amount of sugar you're using. While grating, the lemon scent will spread throughout the space, which cockroaches simply can't resist. You might be wondering, so when should we use candles? Don't rush, this part will be extremely interesting and well worth a try. First, add water, regular tap water, in an amount equal to the amount of sugar, which is 1 teaspoon. Gently mix the sugar and lemon zest together until the sugar dissolves, creating a liquid mixture. This trap is so effective that after just one night, you'll find no more cockroaches. The extremely attractive scent draws cockroaches out of their holes and straight into our trap. When the mixture has dissolved evenly, it will be slightly green and sweet, which is the necessary sign. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of vinegar. It could be apple cider vinegar, fruit vinegar, or regular vinegar. Remember to measure carefully. Mix well. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now, add baking soda in the same amount as the sugar, about 1 teaspoon. Baking soda is extremely strong and helps the mixture achieve optimal consistency and effectiveness. Mix well. And this is where the candle comes in. The candle is a crucial part of this mixture. No cutting or grating is needed, just use it as usual. Take a piece of toilet paper, fold it, and use it to absorb the mixture from the bottom, making sure it's dry. Next, burn the bottom of the candle slightly so that you can place it in the center of the bowl of mixture. Once the candle is attached, light it. And there you have it, an extremely effective cockroach trap. The candle creates heat around the mixture, intensifying the scent and drawing cockroaches straight into the trap from all their hiding places. It sounds strange, but try it, and you'll see amazing results. When the cockroaches eat the mixture, the baking soda causes a reaction in their bodies, specifically producing gas they can't expel, leading to their complete death. That's the method I wanted to share with you. Hopefully, try it and leave a comment sharing your results. The next method is also very simple and highly effective, and it's the one I used. Set the aluminum foil aside, as we need a bowl or container to begin mixing this mixture, the mixture that will help our trap work most effectively. First, we'll use 4 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using white sugar. By using sugar, we're creating an extremely attractive bait that will automatically draw cockroaches in and get them killed without needing to buy any chemicals or toxic products. More importantly, this recipe is harmless to dogs or cats if you have pets in the house. It's very, very effective. Okay, after adding 4 tablespoons of sugar, we'll add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. For those who don't know, baking soda creates an extremely adverse reaction to insects, including cockroaches and even many spider species. So, today's recipe not only helps repel and kill cockroaches, but sometimes also repels those annoying spiders that often invade homes. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the mixture. I use baking soda a lot on my channel in many highly effective recipes. I invite you to check them out to see for yourself. Read the comments under those videos. You'll see many people have successfully applied it and gotten extremely positive results, just like the recipe we're using today. Because if you're here, you're probably already fed up with fighting these annoying cockroaches. After adding the baking soda, we mix well until the 2 ingredients are completely combined. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, we'll use a lemon, but this time without the lemon juice. To conceal and camouflage it in the mixture, we'll use a grater and only grate the lemon peel. It's best to use a grater with small holes, like the one I'm using, so the lemon peel is grated very finely. The goal is to get about 1 tablespoon of lemon peel. No lemon juice is needed. While grating, gently rotate the lemon to avoid grating the flesh, as any lemon juice will ruin the recipe. Once you have enough peel, add the lemon peel to the bowl of mixture. The lemon has done its job. The rest you can use for salads, lemonade, or other dishes. We're only using the peel, something that people normally throw away. This way, we're not wasting anything. On the contrary, we're creating something very useful for the house. Continue mixing until the ingredients are perfectly combined. You'll see the mixture is not liquid, so it's very easy to mix. Mix thoroughly like this to prepare for the final ingredient, which is toothpaste. No need to worry about the brand. Toothpaste is an ideal insecticide, especially for cockroaches. In this recipe, we'll use a strip of toothpaste about 2 to 3 centimeters long. It not only kills adult cockroaches, but also destroys their nests and eggs. Because the hardest thing isn't killing a cockroach, but preventing the generation of their eggs, which can produce thousands. When the cockroach carries this mixture back to its nest, it will destroy the eggs almost immediately. Now, mix thoroughly. You can use your hands if you prefer, as toothpaste is a bit difficult to mix. Mix until all the ingredients are completely combined into a homogeneous mixture. After mixing, we move on to the main character of the video. Aluminum foil. Take a piece of aluminum foil about 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Place the mixture in the center, like this. If you're wondering why there are so many cockroaches, one reason is they're attracted to aluminum foil as it traps odors and grease. This mixture is extremely attractive to cockroaches, but extremely deadly to them. Now, roll up the aluminum foil to completely enclose the mixture, carefully disguising this secret recipe. Next, take a fork and gently poke holes around the foil ball. Since there's no liquid inside, the mixture won't spill out. That's it! You might wonder, how does it work? Cockroaches are attracted to the foil. Using their antennae, they'll reach into the holes, retrieve the mixture, and carry it back to their nest. There, the mixture will kill both the cockroaches and their eggs. Place these balls in your kitchen cabinets under the refrigerator near the stove. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. I hope today's video makes your mornings easier and more enjoyable. If you find these tips helpful, please take a moment to like, share with others who need a quick breakfast, and subscribe so you don't miss the next kitchen tips. Thank you for watching, and I wish you good health and happiness.